What is going on, beautiful people? Today, we're going to be talking about a narcissist karma, how losing you could be the narcissist karma. If you're new here, my name is Lee Hammock. I'm a self aware narcissist, and welcome to another episode of the Narcissist Code. Boom! Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Y'all be dancing behind the scenes when the music be playing, but you just jam. Doom. But yes, y'all. So before we hop into today's episode, get deep into today's episode. If you're watching right now, you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it. Click the subscribe button. It costs you $0 to subscribe to the channel and help reach more people. Thank you so much. But yes, the narcissist karma. I get a lot of people ask me, do narcissists ever get their karma? I want to see them. Lee, I'm a good person. I consider myself an empath. But damn it, I want to see them hurt. I want to see some pain. I want to see them get that karma back. For they hurt me. I need to see them get hurt. I want to see them get hurt. That's the mindset of a lot of people, y'all. That's what a lot of people say. I talk to a lot of people. I talk to thousands of people over the last 3.5 years. And that's one of the common things. Like, do they ever get their karma? That's a question I get on TikTok all the time, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Do narcissists ever get their karma? What if losing you, the beautiful soul that you are, that you might be, what if losing you is their karma? What if you are the best thing that has and will ever happen to this person? But for that to happen, you have to believe it. Because a lot of times, let's be real, y'all, narcissists do get their karma later on in life, but you might not be around to see it. But you know what you can see? You know what you can feel? You can feel you. You can understand that you are the best version of yourself. You can understand that you're going to keep working on yourself and become better over time. You're going to keep giving to yourself and feeding yourself and nourishing yourself and become a better version of yourself. Why can't that be enough for you? Because working on you is their karma. You working on you, you denied access if they try to come back, even if they don't try to come back. You working on you is their karma. Believe they moved on and they seem like they're doing so much better. You working on you is their karma. They will never find a different version, a better version of you. There's only one you. There's only one you. I don't care what they said to you on the way out the door. I don't care what they say to you, because they're a lot of times they're going to try to make you feel like crap on your way out the door, on their way out the door, because that's how they empower themselves, right? That's how they empower themselves to keep moving forward. It's like, I need to leave. The narcissist, in the narcissist mind, they say, I need to leave you broken so that I can feel better about myself later on. I need to leave you broken so that I can feel better about myself. That's the mindset of a lot of narcissists. I need to leave you broken to make sure that I am making the right decision to me. That's how the narcissist mind works a lot of times, John. And that's going to keep happening. This is the mindset of a lot of toxic narcissistic people. I need to leave you broken so I can move forward. And they leave you broken. Look, they leave you broken, but not destroyed, right? They break you, but they don't destroy you. Still, look, you can be built back better. Built back better. That's some good alliteration right there. I'm surprised I made it through it. You can be built back better. But seriously, you growing, you working on you, you empowering you is going to be the worst karma that they can ever feel. The universe is going to allow you to grow. The universe is going to allow you to move on with your life. The universe is going to allow you to be better than you've ever been before. The universe is going to allow you to keep prospering and growing and doing things that the narcissist or toxic person was holding you back from doing. You're going to get to go out and do the things that they say you cannot do. You're going to get to go out and be the things they say you cannot be. You're going to go get the education that they say you couldn't get, that you didn't need. Why you need to get education. You're going to go get the job that they say you didn't need. You're going to go back and get the friends that might have made you cut off. You're going to go rebuild the relationship with your family that might have been strained while you were with this toxic narcissistic bastard. You're going to go do every single thing that they say you cannot do. You're not allowed to do. That's their karma. Their karma is setting you free and allowing the world to experience you. Like they were hiding you from the world. That's why they try to, that's why they try to isolate you. Think about it right there. That's why a lot of narcissists try to isolate you, right? Because they want to hide you from the world. They don't want the world to get to experience you. They want you all to themselves. They try to isolate you away from your friends and your family, your work, your kids, sometimes their friends, their family, their work, like they try to isolate you away from everybody because they want to hide this treasure that you are from the world. They want to keep this treasure to themselves. But you have to believe it. I can say it all I want to, y'all. I can sit here and spit all this language out to you. And the fire that I am, I know I'm spitting fire. I am. I'm spitting quite fiery right now. But at the end of the day, you still have to believe it. This has to be stuff that's coming from you. You still have to believe it. Like, no matter what I say, you have to believe it. You're a beautiful person inside and out. You got to believe it. You're a you're a beautiful person inside out. You still have to believe it. I want y'all to win. So why can't losing you be their karma? They seem so happy. Anybody can seem happy. Y'all, you seemed happy with them at first, didn't you? I bet a lot of times that people will look at you on social media when you were with your toxic narcissistic person. I bet a lot of times if people were to see you on social media, they thought they thought you were happy, didn't they? They thought you were doing good. They thought you were doing fantastic, didn't they? But in all actuality, was that really what was going on behind the scenes? Was that really what was happening? You see how that works? You don't like the social media stuff only tells half the story. Sometimes not even that much. You know, social media stuff only tells half the story, and sometimes not even that much. Don't watch people's social media feed. That's why I say if you are done with the narcissist or they break up with you or whatever, however it ends, it's on you to heal. The abuse is on them. That's clear. The abuse is on them. The abusive behavior, the toxicity, that's on them. The healing, it's on you. You got to heal. The healing is going to fall on you. Like, believe, dang, why I gotta, why I gotta be the one healing? You know what I mean? Why I gotta be the one healing from them? Like, damn, this don't seem fair. Yeah, it ain't gonna seem fair. But the healing is on you. So when the healing is on you, that means you can do what you want to do. The same thing that works for somebody else to heal might not work for you. But the universe is going to make them feel it. You have to believe, y'all. And I say the universe is going to make them feel it. It doesn't require you to wish bad on them, because that's what I think. A lot of people get tied up and twisted up in these situations. A lot of people think that you wanting their karma means you're wishing bad on them. No, you just want to get their comeuppance. You want them to get what they deserve. That's why, like, if you say this to a narcissist, right? Have the day you deserve. Why would they get so mad when if you say have the day you deserve to somebody? Why the hell do they get so angry if they deserve a good day? Have the day you deserve, honey. Have the day you deserve, Timmy. Have the day you deserve. Why do people get mad when you say that to them? You see what I'm saying? If I've been good, the day I deserve, I've been a great person today. I deserve a good day. Okay, cool. But narcissistic people know that they've been bad. So have the life you deserve. If you say that to them, have the life you deserve. If they get angry at you, they know they deserve a bad life. They just like, wait, why you say that like that? What do you mean have the life I deserve? What are you talking about? No, blah, 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 boo, 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 BBB. That's the mindset of a lot of narcissistic people. Losing you. You might be the best, like you have to be the best thing that happened to them. And like, who cares who they end up with, y'all? In actuality, you know what I mean? I know it does matter sometimes when they end up with your sister or your brother or your cousin or your best friend or whoever. At the end of the day, if they end up with somebody and this person that you know and they ended up with saw you being abused, heard your stories, and still decided to date or marry this person, that's on them. They're going to get their karma too. They just married their karma. Losing you, missing out on being with you, losing access to you, the best thing that ever happened to them will be their karma. You have to keep growing, though. It requires you to keep growing, not in spite of them, not to be their karmic retribution, but to work on you. That's crazy how that works, isn't it? You don't have to set out to try to hurt this narcissist, right? Your ex-narcissistic partner. You don't have to set out to hurt them. You just have to set out to rebuild you, build back better. Work on you, heal you from the inside out. It's a journey. Healing is a journey. It is not a destination. You cannot catch a flight to healing. You got to walk there. And when you walk there, you're gonna get you're gonna get some sores on your feet. Your ankle's gonna hurt a little bit. You might have to change shoes. You might have to change your path. You might have to take a break. It's okay to take a break. But losing you, the access to you, the light of you, the light, the as light as you are, the healing that you offer them, the beautiful person that you might be, Let that be the karma. Keep growing. I feel like they left me for somebody that looks better than me. They have more money than me. They're not you. It's easy for me. You don't have to find a weakness in that person. Find the strength in you. Well, I need to find some way that I'm better than this person. You don't have to find a weakness in them. You just have to find the strength in you, because you have a different strength than they do. You have different attributes than they do. They left me there for a rich person, and they're rich, and they seem like they're traveling the world. Wherever you go, there you are. You ever heard that saying before? Wherever you go, there you are. You can't, it don't matter where you travel. If you are a horrible person inside, you're taking your horrible ass to Tahiti, to France, to Mogadishu, wherever you go, there you are. They're taking their karma, their evil spirit with them. They're going there. They are taking themselves there. They seem happy on the outside, but internally they're a mess. Happy. I can smile on the outside like this, y'all. Y'all see me smiling? Do I look happy? Lee, he looks happy in the picture. This is the picture. Lee, she looks so happy in the picture. This is the picture. Stop watching their social media, y'all. Stop pain shopping. I tell people, you have to stop going pain shopping. You really do. Like, you have to stop going pain shopping, because the more you go pain shopping, the more it's going to hurt you. The more you pain shop, the more it's going to hurt you. Like, when I mean my pain shopping, you going on their social media looking for things that are just going to make you feel bad about yourself, looking for things that are going to hurt you and harm you, looking for things that are going to mess with you. You are the best. You are becoming the best version of yourself. You have to be the best version of yourself. Just keep growing, keep glowing, and let the universe will make them feel it. They're going to feel it. You're going to win. This is what winning looks like. This is the winning. Winning looks different to everybody. This is what your victory looks like without this person. You have to keep growing. You have to keep healing and whatnot, y'all. This is part of the journey. I'm just telling y'all, this is part of it right here. This is absolutely part of the journey, part of the destination and whatnot, y'all. So thank y'all for tuning into another episode, y'all. If you do not know, we have this is September the 14th of this year, 2024. We're doing our first in-person workshop in Washington, D.C. on September the 14th. The link will be at the top of the comment section. It will be pinned in the comment section on YouTube, and will also be in the description as well. Check it out. Get registered up. It's going to be an amazing event, live and in person. Me and my friend Nia are doing it live in person workshop. We have more workshops coming as well, y'all. This is what it looks like. I put it on the screen right here. Live in person DC workshop. This is what the page looks like. Scroll down. Here to guide you on your healing journey. Hit that little join workshop button right there. All the other good stuff. So, but this, like I said, this will be on, I'm working on the website now. It's going to be on events.mentalhealness.net when I get the site up this week. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I appreciate every single one of y'all. And as always, y'all, Mental Healness is out. Peace. Thank you so much for making it to the end of my video. I am extremely grateful for you. Have no idea. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Helps reach more people. And click on the screen to watch another video or to browse through another playlist. There's also a link on the screen to check out my courses and my support groups to help you heal and understand what you've been through. Thank you so much again. I will see you in the next